We'll guide you through how to fix Safari can't open a page as your iPhone's not connected to the internet. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be annoying as you're then unable to use it, so let's get started. What you can try doing is coming to the address bar at the bottom, tapping it and pressing go. Sometimes doing that can go and solve the problem. Another thing you can try doing is restarting Safari, so you can go and swipe up on it from the bottom, then swipe up on it to close it, tap off of it, and then open it up again and go and see if that solves the problem. If it does, then great. However, if it still doesn't, then what you want to try doing is opening up your settings. If you're using Wi-Fi, what you can do is make sure it's definitely working. So on another device, go and see if the network is working. If you currently aren't, you can go and switch it on. And if you have one available, you can go and connect to it. Then you can go and see if that goes and solves the problem. If you find on another device the Wi-Fi isn't working, then that's the problem and you need to get in contact with your ISP to solve the problem. However, if you're using cellular or mobile service, go and tap on this option. Scroll down to the list of apps and press show all. What you need to do is go and find Safari and make sure it's switched on. If it's switched off and you're trying to use cellular or mobile data, that's why it isn't working. So after you've either connected to Wi-Fi or you've gone and switched it on and you verified your Wi-Fi is working, you can return and go and see if the problem is now solved. If it is, then great. If it still isn't, then what we can try doing is performing a forced restart. That'll just go and refresh everything, press the volume increase button, the decrease button, and then hold down the side button. Now keep it held down. Shortly, your phone screen's going to go black, but keep it held down and you should see the Apple icon. At that point, release. Return to Safari and see if it's now working. If this video solved your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have a great day.